Hello YouTube, Jeremy Patrick Martin here, and we're going to be unboxing Zevia Cola, a zero-calorie soda, and these are expensive. We're talking about anywhere between $4 or $5 a pop, depending on whether or not they're on sale. 4 or 6-pack, and they aren't kidding when it says zero sugar on this. As far as I know, this is also supposed to have a zero glycemic index on it, but since it also has carbonation in it, it will make you swell up. And it is sweetened with stevia, and I think they probably cut it with erythritol. Looking at the center of it here. There it says, and it's no kidding here when it says 0 calories, zero all the way across the board. Carbonated water, stevia leaf extract, tartaric acid, natural flavors, caffeine, and citric acid. Whatever it is that they cut it with, this stuff will make you go to the bathroom after about 3 or 4 cans. So you don't want to go drinking so many of them. And also, you want to make sure not to pick it up. But I've picked them up before, and I've had some of them fall out. So you want to make sure that you have them bagged, because they're kind of expensive just to lose one of them. And if you're on a no sugar diet or low carb diet or something like this, and you miss the Coca-Cola, this is what you're gonna want. The cola it's pretty good. I mean, I think it's probably better than Diet Dr. Pepper, and Diet Dr. Pepper is pretty decent. But the Zevia, they also have their own Dr. Pepper. They got their root beer. They got their ginger ale, and their cream soda is surprisingly good. So yeah, if you're on a keto diet or Atkins or whatnot, and you want to get yourself something really nice, I highly suggest this. I've been drinking them for quite some time. And also, you can go online to like Amazon.com, and they got sampler packs. It's a bottle of 24. I mean, I'm sorry, a bottle. It's a box of 24 of these, and they got every one of their flavors in there, and you can try them all out and find which ones you like. Now, my brothers and sisters, take your sugar intake seriously and try to stay healthy.